Hello, my name is Sarah Bruin, and I am an ag business major here at Cal Poly. I chose to do ranch corn nuts for my product presentation because they're my favorite gas station product and something I would like to learn more about. The processing techniques for corn nuts starts in the field. After the corn husks are cut, the kernels are then soaked to rehydrate them, and then they are dried. After they are dried, they are deep fried and seasoned with specific seasonings to give them a desired flavoring. In the case of the product I chose, this flavoring is ranch. The nutrient that I chose to focus on was sodium. Corn nuts tend to have a lot of sodium at 200 milligrams per serving. The sodium in corn nuts comes from the salt. Corn nuts' texture and flavor come from the seasoning used to coat the small roasted kernels. This seasoning includes salt, which contributes to the sodium. I chose the ranch flavor for my product, and I tend to like this kind because of the seasoning and the salt. For my product comparison, I chose Crunchy Giant Inca corn and compared them to corn nuts. To begin, I'd like to point out that the Inca corn label has claims of non GMOs, energy snacks, and gluten free, while the ranch corn nut packaging does not have any other claims than artificially flavored. The Inca corn ingredients consist of three total ingredients, including giant corn high oleic sunflower oil and sea salt, while the corn nut ingredient has over 15 listed ingredients. It's interesting to me that even though the ingredient lists are both very different, the products still contain the same amount of calories per serving size, which they both recommend as 1/3 of a cup. They both have the same main ingredient, being corn, but the other difference I noticed was that ranch corn nuts have corn oil, while the Inca corn has high oleic sunflower oil. This may come into effect not only for taste, but preferences or dietary restrictions on oils. The preservative that I chose to highlight is malic acid. Usually, malic acid is used as a flavor enhancer for sour or tart items. Corn nuts are neither sour nor tart. So, in the case of corn nuts, malic acid is used to help stop bacteria growth and keep the coloring stable within the packaging. This helps create a sustainable shelf life and make the product appear appealing when the consumer opens it. I have put on the slide the AI version of my marketing romance copy. I started with plain old corn, just got a serious taste upgrade. This elevated snack is sure to brighten your mood. Slay the day with this mighty crunch. This mouth-watering flavor will be hard to beat. I honestly prefer the AI version. I feel like it's upscaled and it is more appealing to the audience, and I like the way that it could take my words and just enhance them a little bit more. Before this project, I never really viewed corn nuts as healthy, but more as something to satisfy a salty craving. I now think with the information I know, I will search for a healthier alternative and actually look at more of the ingredients on what I am buying. Finally, if I could choose one place to work in the Corn Nuts Company, it would be in the finance department. And a fun fact about corn nuts is, as a product of the Hormel Food Company, corn nuts come with a 45-day satisfaction guarantee. Thank you.